Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle line offers a premium, performance-driven range for players of all skill levels. Designed and manufactured in the USA, the series includes 3 standout models, the Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control, each tailored for different play styles. All paddles feature 360 degrees proto-molding, which enhances paddle durability, shape consistency, and responsiveness. They also incorporate FlexFoam perimeter injection, a cutting-edge technology that increases stability and enlarges the sweet spot while dampening vibrations for superior comfort. The Vanguard Power Air is built for aggressive players seeking explosive power and maximum spin. It uses QuadFlex hybrid carbon fiber plus fiberglass face construction, offering dynamic energy transfer and speed off the paddle face. The aerodynamic design, open throat, and edgeless perimeter improve swing speed and maneuverability. The Vanguard Pro is a versatile, well-balanced paddle featuring quad carbon fiber face technology, providing enhanced control and a solid feel. It's ideal for players who want to strike a balance between power and precision. The Vanguard Control is designed for touch and consistency, using a raw quad carbon fiber face for unmatched spin potential and a soft, plush response. This model suits players who focus on strategic placement and dinking. Across the lineup, Selkirk maintains high build quality, advanced materials, and a sleek, modern aesthetic. These paddles offer superior control, touch, and power, making them a top-tier choice for competitive and recreational pickleball players alike. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is engineered for intermediate to advanced players seeking a balance of power and control at an accessible price point. Built with Head's innovative design principles, this paddle features a fiberglass hitting surface that offers enhanced feel and responsiveness, making it ideal for players refining their game. Its composite face is paired with a polymer honeycomb core, providing a softer touch and reduced vibrations for better comfort during long matches. This construction ensures a blend of power for aggressive shots and control for finesse plays like dinks and drop shots. The paddle has a mid-weight design, averaging around 8.1 ounces, which helps deliver solid momentum and swings without compromising maneuverability. A standout aspect is its ergonomic grip, known as the Ergo Grip, designed to absorb shock and reduce fatigue. With a slightly elongated handle, it suits players who favor two-handed backhands or desire a bit more reach at the net. The Radical Elite sports a modern design with Head's signature bold graphics and is USAPA approved, making it tournament-ready. While it doesn't feature the advanced technologies of Head's higher-end models, the Radical Elite offers exceptional value, especially for recreational and club-level players looking to elevate their performance without a high investment. In summary, the Head Radical Elite is a durable, well-balanced paddle offering great playability, comfort, and control, a strong choice for progressing players who want a quality paddle from a trusted brand. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for players seeking a perfect blend of control, power, and comfort. Crafted with a graphite face, this paddle offers a lightweight yet durable build, allowing players to react quickly and maintain excellent maneuverability during fast-paced games. The graphite surface provides a crisp, responsive feel on each shot, making it ideal for precise ball placement and consistent performance. Inside, the paddle features a Nomex honeycomb core, known for its strong, resilient structure that enhances power without sacrificing control. This core material also contributes to the paddle's durability, ensuring it withstands intense gameplay over time. The combination of graphite face and Nomex core results in a paddle that excels in both touch shots and powerful drives. A standout feature of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip. This grip is designed to reduce vibration and provide a soft, comfortable hold, helping to minimize hand fatigue during extended play. The grip's tacky surface ensures secure handling, giving players confidence in their swings and preventing slippage. Measuring with a standard paddle shape and a balanced weight distribution, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 suits a wide range of player styles, from beginners to advanced competitors. Its blend of lightweight design, comfortable grip, and reliable performance makes it a versatile choice for pickleball enthusiasts looking to elevate their game with a trusted, quality paddle. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA 3S Pickleball Paddles series offers a premium selection of paddles designed for players seeking high performance and versatility on the court. Featuring raw carbon fiber surfaces, these paddles deliver a sleek, durable, and responsive hitting experience favored by advanced players. The series includes 4 distinct paddle shapes: Ben John's Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, each tailored to different playing styles and preferences. The Ben John's Perseus shape is elongated, providing extra reach and leverage for aggressive shots and quick volleys. The Hyperion offers a wide body design, maximizing the sweet spot and control for players who prefer precision and consistency. The Scorpius features an aerodynamic curve design, blending power and maneuverability for a balanced all-around paddle. The Magnus paddle combines an elongated shape with a slightly wider profile, designed for players seeking both power and control in their swings. Available in 2 core thickness options, 14mm and 16mm, the paddles cater to preferences for feel and responsiveness. The UPAA certification ensures that all JOOLA 3S paddles meet the official standards for tournament play, giving players confidence in their legality during competitions. Overall, the JOOLA 3S lineup offers a diverse range of elite-level paddles, combining cutting-edge raw carbon fiber technology with innovative shape designs to suit various skill levels and playing styles. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball Paddle is designed to offer both style and performance, featuring vibrant colors that stand out on the court. Its surface is made from durable fiberglass, providing a smooth yet responsive hitting area that enhances ball control and power. The paddle's lightweight honeycomb core construction helps reduce overall weight, making it easy to handle and maneuver during fast-paced play, which benefits players seeking both agility and strength in their shots. This paddle is USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, approved, ensuring it meets official size and performance standards for competitive play. This makes it suitable for a wide range of players, from novices just starting out to experienced professionals aiming for precision and power in their game. The combination of the fiberglass face and honeycomb core delivers a balanced feel with excellent power output, while maintaining accuracy and control. The lightweight design reduces arm fatigue during long matches, supporting consistent performance. The vibrant color options add a unique aesthetic appeal, making the paddle visually attractive as well as functional. Overall, the Tangerine Pickleball Paddle offers an ideal blend of power, accuracy, and comfort. Its approval by the USAPA confirms its quality for competitive use, while its materials and design make it accessible and effective for players at all skill levels looking to improve their game with a reliable and stylish paddle.